Shandong Sino Steel Company Limited is a professional company engaged in exporting various kinds of steel products, including galvanized steel, Galvalume steel, prepainted steel and sheet, steel roofing sheet, tinplate, stainless steel material, aluminum coil and sheet, steel pipes and profiles. Qualified by ISO 9001-2015 management system, the company has built close and stable partnership with many famous steel raw material suppliers and has established cooperation with a lot of international acknowledged brands. The products have a wide application in building and construction, decoration, packing, oil and chemical industry. Shandong Sino Steel has earned a global reputation built on the foundations of trust, service, innovation and quality. The products are also well evaluated in East Asia, Middle East, South America, Africa and European markets. The professional staffs with multi-language capability are keen to provide full support to each client throughout the world. Meanwhile, in order to build healthy and continuous business relationship, Shandong Sino Steel has a regular return visit for customers from many countries and attend the domestic and overseas fairs every year, such as Canton Fair and Dubai Big Five. Shandong Sino Steel provides qualified products and reliable services, embodying the company's commitment to strive for excellence. Engaging in providing integrated service from raw material procurement, marketing, quality control, logistic, after-sales service, and third-party inspection. Shandong Sino Steel sincerely expecting to develop long-term business relationship with global prestigious partners